for being here on time. So today we have lot of to discuss. So first before we have some chief guests on our meeting. So we have here Dr. Sundarban sir for leading our meeting, and we have some two venture capitalists, Mr. Dr. Jeevan and Dr. Ajit. So we have a doctor to discuss on today. So first we have to go to our secretary, please carry on with the previous meeting.
So here is the reading of minutes from last meeting. The October 15, 2021 investment planning meeting of Tron Motor Corp was called to order at 10 a.m. Following the reading of minutes from September meeting were written approved. The regard to the announcement made by the chairman of launching new EV segment in Indian market in August meeting, CMO Ms. Princy Prakashan presented the market analysis of EV and SWOT analysis of EV in India. CFO Sneha presented the investment planning. Following that, Head of R&D Harikrishna Menon presented the European EV market status and scope of EV in Indian market. Following that, investors agreed to allocate the fund of INR 30,000 crore rupees to EV project of Tron Motor Corp. The next meeting was scheduled for December 15, 2021. The meeting was adjourned at 11:45 a.m. Okay, is there any corrections to the minutes?
No.
If not, is there anyone approving the minutes?
Yes, it's clear. I am approving it.
I'm seconding the operations manager.
So thank you everyone. So we have to go to the next item. First agenda is to purchase allocation of electric cars. So for that, I'm inviting the CFO, Ms. Sneha, to present the charts.
When talking about the finance for our new project, we have a 30,000 crore capital to start up the venture, and here, when after discussing with other departments, I am allotting the money to different departments. First of all, the EV plan was 10,000 crores and the R&D was 2,500 crores. Operations was 510 crores, spare parts 425 crores, and legal aspect 75 crores, patent 50 crores, EV motors plan 1,250 crores, miscellaneous expenses as 150 crores, EV service and RAS 850 crores, recharge stations 800 crores, marketing 250 crores, battery plan 5,000 crores, and raw material 1,240 crores, machinery as 1,000 crores, EV special tools as 250 crores, and 5,000 crores we kept as our reserve fund. And also we are planning to implement a racing team, and we kept a 150 crores for that. Yeah, I noticed that we have a discussion with the R&D department that the fund is not sufficient, and I will consider that. And also, this is our financial structure. Do you have any queries? You can ask me.
Thank you, CFO. So, does there anyone have any comments or questions? Please ask. Yes, Karen.
Is the budget sufficient enough to make the production?
Yes, ma'am, it's sufficient. I have a discussion with the other departments, and I'm sure that the fund is sufficient.
Or do you need some more investment?
No, it's sufficient that we kept as a reserve fund 5,000 crores, so it is okay.
So, okay, thank you very much. So we can move to the next session now. So the next is research and development of electromobility cars. So that I am inviting the chief of R&D department, Mr. Harry. So Harry, please carry.
Good afternoon all. As we all know, we have a wide range of electrical vehicles in the European and American market. So we are trying to introduce the same vehicles but with a little bit change in specifications and according to the Indian market. So this is our first model. We have identified a few models from the wide range of vehicles we have abroad. And this is the first model, the TRV 200. The target market for this vehicle is middle class people. As we all know, all of our electrical vehicles have the same motor. It is powered by permanent magnet synchronous motor. And this TRV 200 has a power of 129 PS and a torque of 245 Newton meter. It accelerates from 0 to 100 in a 9.9 seconds. As we know, the charging standards in India is now changing from CCS 2 to CCS 3. So we have CCS 2 as a charging port in the TRV 200. So we have to change the charging standard in this vehicle when we introduce this to our Indian market. So we are planning for that. And tested charging time for this TRV 200 is 8.5 hours in normal commercial charging, and fast charging time is 1 hour for this TRV 200. This is another premium model that is very successful in the European market, that is Tron Track. We are going to introduce the Track to our premium market in India also. It is powered by the same type of engine, but it is more powered with a 149 PS power and a torque of 295 Newton meter. It has more torque than power. The power is not that much different than the middle class, but the torque is very important. That will help us to climb hill climb assist, etc. The acceleration provided by this vehicle is 7.5 seconds from 0 to 100 kilometer per hour. The charging standard is already CCS 3, so we don't have to make any changes in the charging port of this vehicle. The estimated charging time is a little bit more in this because it is powered high. So 8.2 hours we need for charging these vehicles, but it will get charged in 1 hour with the fast charging facility. This is another SUV we have in the American market, which is very successful down there. It is powered by a whopping 215 PS of power and a torque of 369 Newton meter, and it will accelerate from 0 to 100 in just 5.5 seconds. The charging standard is already CCS 3, so we don't have further discussion on that. The estimated charging hours is very less for this because actually the range is very less for this. Actually, we have only 100 kilometer range for this vehicle, so we can charge this in 7 hours. We are trying to increase the range to introduce this in the Indian market, and also charge this in 1 hour with a fast charging facility. We are planning that car for the premium market in India also. The Tron Leaf. The Tron Leaf is actually entry-level vehicles we are trying to introduce into the Indian market. This is our hope actually. The Indian market is very much, there's a space for a car like Tron Leaf in our Indian market, because most of our it will take 18 seconds to accelerate from 0 to 100 kilometer. It has an old charging standard, that is CCS 1. We already planning to introduce CCS 3 to this vehicle, which need a lot of research because the battery in this is not sufficient to engage a CCS 3 charger. So we have planning for that. It will, being a low level battery, it will charge in 6 hours. But the fast charging facility in this car is not that good because it is entry level vehicle. So it takes even though it has a low level battery, it will take 1.2 hours to charge it with the fast charging facility. So as the chairman said, we have to introduce our design in 2013. So 2013 is the deadline. So 2023 is the deadline. So we don't have time. We don't have resources for that. So I have discussed with the CFO that we need more resources for this. Also, for the Indian market is very mileage conscious. So we are trying to increase the range of these vehicles from 300 to 400 or even 500 in future, because Indian market is very mileage conscious. Most of these vehicles have a range of 100 to 200 kilometers. We want at least 400 kilometers to introduce a vehicle into the Indian market. So I'm hoping that we could we could make the appropriate changes to these vehicles and introduce a very spectacular car into our Indian market. About the specifications. Okay.
It's great.
Thank you.
The presentation. So, a lot of information for our industries and basically for our next week. Our next, moving to the next topic, women who is trying quality car. For that, I am calling Mr. Our CEO of HR, Mr. Ashik. Ashik, please get.
Yeah, so far it's all good. So we are planning to import our raw materials from China actually. But as you all know that there is an anti-ban going on between the India and China. So while we are importing the raw materials from Chinese, in the future we have a problem over there. So we are planning to go for Japan. That's because in future we have to be foresee in our actions. So I already inquired and informed the R&D department about that, and we are planning to go for Japan for importing our raw materials from over there. And as the R&D department said that they need more time for their research and development of the Indian markets and cars over there. So we are planning to allocating the human resources by the ending of 2023. Sorry. So as he expected, the R&D department expected per month 3,000 cars can be produced. So far that's all from my part.
So, thank you, CEO.
Yeah, welcome.
So, this anyone have any comments or any questions we can ask? Okay, thank you. See, again that.
Good afternoon to all. In the peak market, the electric car market in India is expected to 12% increase of all passenger cars in fiscal year 2026. So it is a good time for emerging new electric vehicles. So it was supported by improving ecosystem. Ecosystem in the sense that charging stations. Nowadays we are going to introduce overall the India. It is going to have more charging stations that will enable our product to be more successful. And you also know that people nowadays are going towards technologies. So faster adoption in electric vehicles, we can also see that. And it was mainly due to the fuel price rise. Rising of fuel price is very hard in these times, and people are thinking to change electronic means. So this our Tron product was electric vehicle. So that will only we need electronic charge. We need only charge, no fuel is needed. And if we take globally, electric sale was surpassing 2020 sales. In this similar, it was observed similarly in India too. And it is increased 361.78% in 2020, and July of this 2021 it is further increased.
What is the marketing strategy that you are using in India?
Okay, ma'am. We are introducing a racing team and a racing path. Already financial teams suggested that they are allocating 115 crores for racing. So that will provide a good advertisement and marketing strategy to marketize this product. And we are also providing test driving facilities. We are advertising new test driving facilities to all. Who, in normal case, the customer need to call the the company to have a test driving. But here we are providing an opportunity to all to use our new electric vehicles, so that they can know about our product and that will marketize our product.
So we have to pause this section. It's been a long time. So there is two investors in here. So Mr. Dr. Jeevan and Dr. Aik. If you have any comments and questions, you can ask them both.
Yes, thank you for the opportunity. I think we are going in the right path to introducing our cars into the market. The marketing manager had said that it is a good time to increase our cars to the engine market and how we can make it smooth, and we have a higher success to the single models, and finance allocation is very good, and about the HR department is the problem is that there is India and China is working there, and it's a good option to choose from Japan or all areas, and models like the models in which they are R&D department for introducing every segment of the build like for the corrections. It's to have more sales figures for us. Then that's the main highlights I see in this meeting. Then about the fund, if the R&D department is more from the finance department or I want to ask you a question. When you are planning to give proper return for vehicles for vehicles to be available?
So we are already running a program racing. So we are planning to get the profit by after the 7 years. So the launching of the product within 7 years, we are planning to get profit. Yes.
And I have a question for the HR also.
Sure, sir.
Okay. What is the number of cars you are producing? Is after the introduction of the car, how many cars you produce a day?
As we produce it, we have to allocate the raw materials from Japan, so it takes some time to be imported. So far, it's all been good for our Indian and Japan relations are all going with a good relationship. So as I believe that as an operation manager, I believe that it's all being good. As we discussed it with the R&D department, they said they can produce 3,000 cars per month. Yeah.
That's all. So thank you for that.
Moreover, I feel very much grateful for this meeting and thank you for everyone who participated in this meeting. It's very grateful to get in this group of making e-vehicles nowadays. It's a major problem of environment.
Thank you. So from the sir, do you have any opinions about our meeting?
No. I don't have much opinion about these discussions here and presentations here. So it's like $1 million invested company, and this product is something emerging into the market.